بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هنبتدي دلوقتي يا جماعة في الحل والتطبيق على يونت 1 فيما يخص اللانجوج نوتس والفوكاب. هنبتدي مع صفحة 16 جروب 1. أول سؤال number 1 how do you like your food cool or طبعا الإجابة هتكون spicy. number 2 Ali used to work as for one of the most famous hotels. أكيد هتبقى cook بمعنى طباخ، مش هتكون اير هوستس مضيف الطيران ولا راكب ولا بوتاجاز كوكر بوتاجاز. number 3 his uncle started to swell up يعني الأنكل بدأ يتورم after he fell while trying to climb the tree. number 4 as a child Mariam used to stand for hours leaning on the bridge بتميل على الكوبري watching the boats go by. number 5 many people want to lead more sustainable lifestyles حياة مستدامة without harming بدون إيذاء the earth's resources موارد الكرة الأرضية. number 6 it's disturbing شيء مزعج to have neighbors with loud voices all times هتبقى noisy. number 7 the problem with is that it depends on natural areas and wildlife which are decreasing all the time اللي بتتناقص طول الوقت. فده أكيد بيتكلم على الإيكو توريزم السياحة البيئية بتعتمد على المناطق الطبيعية والحياة البرية واللي بتتناقص طول الوقت. number 8 the fewer people go out at coronavirus presence يعني كل ما قل عدد الناس اللي بتخرج في وجود coronavirus the fewer they will be limited endangered conserved benefited هيتعرضوا للخطر. the fewer they will be endangered كل ما قل تعرضهم للخطر. number 9 no one knows the customs of these regions محدش يعرف عادات هذه المناطق which are isolated بعيدة from the rest of the world. number 10 we must book tickets as soon as possible لازم نحجز تذاكر بسرعة بقدر الإمكان as there is number of them هتبقى as there is ايه بقى limited محدود فده سر طلب السرعة في الحجز. number 11 no doubt لا شك that industry أن الصناعة has a huge impact تأثير on the environment we live in على البيئة التي نعيش بها. number 12 some of the waste بعضا من الفضلات أو waste chemicals الفضلات الكيميائية are very harmful to the environment مضرة بالبيئة. number 13 near the village بالقرب من القرية there is a area where wildlife and nature are protected هنا المفروض conservation area منطقة للحفاظ على البيئة. corporation شركة occupation احتلال أو وظيفة hesitation تردد. number 14 some fashion critics didn't like the designer's clothes as he uses cheap materials استخدم مواد رخيصة. number 15 the isolated regions المناطق المعزولة of Spain all have unique customs and cultures ثقافات وأعراف فريدة. number 16 I all the way into Omar's coastal town hoping to meet him but he wasn't there tricked اللي هو تجولت. number 17 I've got loads of things الكثير من الأشياء to do before tomorrow's party. number 18 I was stuck كنت عالق in a traffic jam في ازدحام مروري for an hour yesterday. number 19 she wants to go to university to study as she's keen on the study of living things لأنها متحمسة بدراسة الكائنات الحية يبقى هي هتدرس biology. number 20 my doctor was with me when I told her I wasn't taking my medication ما باخدش الأدوية بتاعتي regularly يبقى my doctor was annoyed with me متضايق مني. ننقل دلوقتي على جروب 2 يا ولاد. السؤال number 21 بيقول what makes our tourist office unique اللي بيخلي المكتب بتاع السياحة بتاعنا فريد is that it arranges tours بيرتب رحلات to exotic destinations يعني وجهات سفر exotic غير عادية such as the Alps. number 22 We are ordinary people. احنا ناس عادية جدا. We aren't going to do anything exotic. احنا مش هنعمل حاجة غير عادية. Number 23, the United States supremacy was badly by coronavirus pandemic. هتبقى was harmed تأذت بوباء كورونا. Number 24, tomorrow I have to go to يعني هبقى مضطر بكرة to go to the garage as the heater in my car doesn't work properly. لا يعمل بشكل مناسب. Number 25, do you think coronavirus pandemic will still in the next 9 months will still exist؟ هل هيفضل متواجد؟ Number 26, human activity النشاط البشري has had a bad effect on the in many parts of the world has had a bad effect on the المفروض ecosystem النظام البيئي. Number 27, spiders العناكب catch flies and other in their webs هتبقى and other insects. Number طبعا كلمة insects بمعنى حشرات. Number 29 بنقول they are about their new villa they are over the moon اللي هم very happy. 29 while she was preparing lunch وهي بتجهز الغداء she the plate الطبق and it broke it into pieces she dropped the plate. Number 30 it's cruel to neglect as they depend on their owners. It's cruel to neglect لأن هم بيعتمدوا على ملاكهم البيتس الحيوانات الأليفة. 31 Ragab can always depend on his brother to help him with the gardening عملية البستنة أو تجهيز الحديقة. Number 32 there was a great need for the charity طبعا volunteers بمعنى متطوعين. 33 some species of turtle بعض فصائل السلاحف which live in seas can remain for 24 hours can remain underwater تحت المية for 24 hours. Number 34 space none of the guests were injured فهنا أكيد ده fortunately لحسن الحظ لأن كلمة unfortunately لسوء الحظ. اللي بعد كده you need one whole head of for this salad lettuce محتاج راس خصاية للسلطة دي. Number 36 children learn hardly anything during lessons during boring lessons يعني الأطفال ما بتتعلمش أي شيء أثناء الدروس المملة. Number 37 هتبقى fussy eater someone who eats a few particular things and is difficult to please وبيبقى من الصعب إن أنت تساعده يعني زي مثلا الفيجيتيريان إنسان نباتي بياكل نوع معين من الطعام. Number 38 Muhammad's new phone has a great camera. It takes photos. It takes amazing photos. Number 39 my sister has given me this book. I really enjoy reading it. Brilliant book. Number 40 space often learn new things about keeping the environment. Ecotourists السياح اللي بيلتزموا بالسياحة البيئية. Group 3 يا شباب بنقول what type of words do you think exotic and familiar are؟ طبعا بالنسبة لكلمة exotic اللي هي unusual و familiar دول كده antonyms كلمة وعكسها. synonyms مرادف. derivatives مشتقات adverbs أحوال. Number 42 the beautiful reefs الشعاب المرجانية الجميلة coral reefs are being destroyed اتدمرت by local people selling souvenirs to tourists. Number 43 traveling by train is more relaxing أكثر استرخاء than driving. Number 44 we have a fascinating view of the sea from our balcony من البلكونة بتاعتنا. Number 45 space are trying to save the line from extinction. conservationists المحافظين على البيئة بيحاولوا ان هم ينقذوا الاسد من الانقراض. 46 it's a good chance and I'm sure you will greatly from this medical conference you will benefit ستستفيد. Number 47 will you be able to this summer get away هتخرج او هتسافر. 48 there were a few books here and there تمام اللي هي number D هنا وهناك مبعترين but apart from that the room was quite bare. Number 49 I photos of the baby so as to send them to my friends abroad. I took photos of the baby to send them to my friends abroad. Number 50 I was driving along the street على امتداد الشارع. 51 electric buses are a clean friendly way environmentally friendly way. طبعا هنا way is a noun, friendly is an adjective. فلما بنيجي نضيف معلومة زيادة عن ال adjective بنحط ال adverb environmentally. Number 52, most people would rather بيفضلوا spend their holidays at luxurious و luxurious معناها مرفه resorts منتجعات with the swimming pools and the lot حمامات سباحة و the lot الكثير. Number 53, I'll be busy my subjects المواد بتاعتي such as English and math I'll be busy with. Number 54, I don't like eating out at restaurants because I love to cook my family food. طبعا هنا at restaurants مش هقول including because ولا special because ولا slightly بدرجة طفيفة، هقول mainly والسبب الرئيسي في ذلك لأن I love to cook family food. Number 55, we moved the museum around the museum اتحركنا في كل حتة and so its most famous monuments. 56, there are lots of people there who can help you who can actually بالفعل يقدروا يساعدوك. Number 57, have you ever gone on along the Nile from Luxor to Aswan? Have you ever gone on a cruise اللي بمعنى رحلة نيلية؟ 58, when all passengers لما كل الركاب had been on board على متن الطائرة the plane took off. Number 59, the plane was so there wasn't a single empty seat, crowded, مزدحم. Number 60, during our trek أثناء الجولة السياحية we enjoyed a lot of views of attractive natural things. لما بنيجي نضيف معلومة لناون بتبقى adjective هنا كلمة natural adjective. Number 61, it must be difficult to cope with تساير 3 small children and a job. Number 62, I've always understood أنا دايما كنت فاهم that one should try to be considerate of other people مراعي لشعور الآخرين. 63, we have a wonderful view of the sea from our balcony من البلكونة. 64, there are now so many tourists that the area has become a victim of its own success أصبحت ضحية لنجاحها. 65, the scientists spent 2 years in the jungle how hunting lions is affecting wildlife بيدرس بيراقب بيلاحظ observing. Number 66, we have met before احنا اتقابلنا قبل كده but we haven't been formally introduced ما تمش تقديمنا بشكل رسمي. Number 65 67, we need to make sure محتاجين نتأكد. Page 20 من أول 68, all the passengers who were on the plane were killed in China's worst air disaster أسوأ كارثة. 69, plans to build a new cafe in our town have made local angry residents النزلاء المحليين. 70, during our meeting we took some photos التقطنا بعض الصور. Number 71, we have no interest ما عندناش أي اهتمام in interfering in the affairs of other countries فهتبقى in the internal affairs الشأن الداخلي للدول الأخرى. Number 1, choose the 2 correct answers out of the 5 options given. Number 1, tigers are endangered معرضين للخطر that we should take care of. The antonyms of the word endangered العكس لكلمة endangered اختار كلمتين من دول زي ما هو قال لي. 2, عندي عكس كلمة dangerous ايه safe وايه كمان secured. طيب Number 2, Ali was very upset when he lost his book. The synonyms of the upset يعني المرادفات لكلمة منزعج في عندي happy sad calm disappointed pleased فهلاقي in sad و disappointed. Number 3, Luxor is famous for its ancient monuments عكس كلمة ancient new وكمان modern حديث. Number 4, there is a limited amount of food in the kitchen. Don't waste it. The synonyms of the word limited مرادفات كلمة محدود are مرادفات محدود. غير restricted ها تمام. limitless لا حد له ولا little؟ لا little طبعا. Number 5 the brain is unique يعني العقل فريد as it's unlike any other organ لأنه مش زي أي عضو آخر. The antonyms of the word unique عكس كلمة unique are حاجة عادية common حاجة معروفة known. بكده نكون خلصنا الجزء بتاع الكلمات، وبعد كده يا شباب إن شاء الله في المحاضرة الجاية بتاعت الأسبوع الجاي هنبتدي نشتغل مع بعض على Grammar Unit 1، وإن شاء الله بإذن الله ينال رضاكم وتبقوا مبسوطين وفاهمين معانا إن شاء الله.